Ragimano Jagoro mongirore migao mar Tudruok Edward Kisiangani oseyo bila mano oseyogai mar Azimio Raila Odinga kuom thoe madhi nyime e pacho kaendi kowacho ni owinjo ochung ng'anyo. Owacho ni ng'anyo madhi nyime sani ema medo rocho uchumi ma pacho ka. Kisiangani owacho ni mbolea mabeche yot mane ochiwne jopur kod keyo mabiro e dweche matin mabiro biro konyo e duoko piny nengo mwandu mag chiemo. No wuoyo e romo ewi tudruok mar piny owacho e tiegruok e boma ma Naivasha.
The Media Council, what we receive mostly from government, departments, agencies and ministries is a complaint about misrepresentation, no facts and all that, isn't it? And the media says, isn't it? So we need to try to establish those formal channels.
Government gains nothing, totally nothing, and it is a useless job to think that the preoccupation of our government is to gag media. No, I want us to work together because media is part of us. So even you as communicators pass this message to our media houses. And what the government is asking for is not a sycophantic support from the media. Media should criticize us as much as they can. But media should also desist. Just like we don't want the media to be the extension of government, we don't want media to be the extension of the opposition.
Nyakoram gajon kaluore gi lal mano mar ngima kod kethruok